Uy. There's a lot of new faces. Right now, on the right side, Layson, first three. So good to number 7. To Layson, faking. Inside to Darby. What a lift by Darby. Three. No good. Opponent's point. Uh-oh. Darby. Easy. Post Levi. Oi. Serblad. To JC waiting. Tapikan. Kaya bola-bola. Hinato. Nakita mo na naman yung titikan mo. Oy! Darby! For 2 points. 4-0. Inside. Serve line. Kayo po rin naman ang bola. Oy! Faking. What a footwork. No good. Nice on. Hey! Faking jump set. Fresco. No good. Kayo po rin naman. Parang yung limang na. Darby, no good. To JC, no good. Number 7 recovers the ball. Darby, inside, wala pa rin. JC, gulay song. Crossover. Fresco for 3. Lista mo na. 3-4. Automatic kay Presto. Oy! Madulas ang bola. Same ball. Yabor. Oy! Ay, ginawa pala bola. Oh, ha? Hey! Oh, 3! No good. No number 9. Rushing the ball. Lyson ang patuwid. Wala. Same ball. Score natin. 3-4. In favor of defense team. Number 17. To Fresco. To JC. Fresco. Uh-oh. There's a traffic. Number 0. Wide open. Lyson. Good defense. But better offense. Number 15. Black. Fast break opportunity once again. No number 0. 8-3. My goodness. So quick. Layson. Fresco. 3 seconds. Huli ka sa inside. Uh-oh. Controls the dribble. On the right side. Levi Yabor. Lista mo na. 10-3. Nice pass. Crossover. Oh, yeah, good. Number 7. Hey, big pass. Uh-oh, foul. What a power play by number 7. Going hard in the offense and taking for the 2 free throws. First shot for number 7. Another shot for number 7. Third stop, lucky roll. 11-3. Abol. Number 7. To serve Vlad. Serve Vlad. Crossover. Serve Vlad. Inside. Using glass. No good. Hey! Nice pass! Palinando! Ang sarap ng buhay nyo, patay na si Ginoa. Oh! Sayang! Number 7. Stolen by Lyson sa kami ng Lyson. Oy! Meron ka bang pass? O bonus ball. Good yan. Pass ball tayo mga kapatid. Wide open. Oy! Same ball. Uh-oh, reverse. 15-3. There's a 12-point lead in the game. Fresco. Pampigan. Darby. Oh, denies. Point number 9. Waiting. Oh, chase score. 3-17. Last 5 minutes in the game. Abol. Fresco setting up the play. Save ball. So number 9. On the right side. 3-point area. Wala. Yubor. To Hidalgo. Pull up 3. No good. Sayang. Yubor is there. Yubor is big. Pull up. Oh! Sayang. JC. To Vlad. Converse. Wow. Nice pass. 5-70. Lapas kay Hidalgo. Fresco. Hey, on the right side, tapo number 7, Tumiyagi. Rio Kamiyagi pala po. Fresco. Sure ball. 7-17. Yan na. Yabor. Stolen naman ang sipad. Number 17. Give it go. Pull up. Short. Number 17. Yabor. Wala. Manulas ang bola. Fresco for 3. Same ball. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds in the game. Ready ang game 1 winner. 3, Vlad. Uh-oh. Number 7 recovers the ball. Darby. Uh-oh. Number 0. Hesitation. Son, oy. Number 17. Number 7, Miyagi. Lefty Miyagi yan. Rio Kamiyagi. Lapas kay David Baking. Sure ball. 19-9. Hidalgo, Lapas. Hidalgo. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds in the game. Itago to Kami. No good. Nice start to JC Wally. Number 17, Fresco. Sure po na yan. Patas si Fresco. 11.1. Yabor. Kanya ulit. Pero madulas. 21-11. 10.8. Crossover. Wow! Fresco. 13-21. Uh-oh. No good. Hey, behind the back. Controlling. Good, good, good. Labas, labas. Number 9, inside. Bulak ni JC, takigan. Wide open, number 0. Late. 28-13. Last 30 seconds in the game. Number 7, Rio Kamiyaki. Wala. So number 9, number 9. 3. No good. 0. Uh-oh. Fresco, deny. 3. Sure ball. Ay. Too strong.